In just a couple of weeks, the comedic musical Some Like It Hot arrives in Denver. Well, the cast and crew will be traveling to Denver to do the show. Did you know that a majority of the musicians in the pit are actually from right here in Colorado? Dylan Thomas traveled to Philadelphia for an advanced preview of the musical and found out how the sounds of the show will come together.
Set in the 1930s.
Some Like It Hot is a jazz age, Depression era, Prohibition era show.
The story, costumes, and sounds of Some Like It Hot transfer audiences back in time to the era of big bands and mobsters.
The show is just full of the sounds of that era, that big band, tight jazz sound that you're used to hearing.
Which is a dream composition for music director Mark Binns.
And I got the call to do Some Like It Hot, and I jumped at it because jazz really is the music in my soul. I love getting to do jazz because there's not normally a show that's this heavy with the jazz and swing on Broadway. It's rare when a show like this comes along.
But the tour only has 4 full-time musicians. So to pull off the sounds of a big band,
and we pick up 7 other local horns in every city. So we've got 2 trumpets, 2 trombones, 4 reed doublers, and then we also pick up a local bassist. So that's 8 local musicians, which is double the number of that actually tour it and play it all the time.
But with a busy national tour, the entire orchestra doesn't even come together until the day of the first show in each city. So to prepare,
we send them a conductor cam, so a shot of me conducting the show so they can follow along with it and practice with. And you just hope they come in and you're ready to knock it out in 5 hours and then play it in front of a couple thousand people.
When I saw the show in Philadelphia, I never would have known these musicians just met each other. Kind of like the comedic theme of the show, organized chaos in the end comes together for a beautiful story and sound.
So as you can imagine, it gets a bit complicated at times because we move in on a Tuesday in a new city, we rehearse for 5 hours, we sound check, and we open.
Some Like It Hot plays the Buell Theatre July 8th through the 20th. For more information on tickets, just visit our website, which is cbscolorado.com. In Philadelphia, I'm Dylan Thomas.